everybody, my name is Abdurrahman Mohammed Shams.
Hi, my name is Hamad Salah.
Hi, my name is Jamal Maguire.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rajab.
My name is Umar Bilal.
This program basically showed us a new way to manage our money.
This program made me realize the importance of saving money and how can you save your money.
I really enjoyed this program because it taught me how to manage my money, in which school did not teach me how.
This program made me realize that many adults around the world get into debt, and that is because of poor money management. I really enjoyed this program. It was lots of fun. We did some activities and we learned a lot of new things.
I enjoyed and had a lot of fun in this program and learned so many things about life.
I have enjoyed this program a lot and because it taught me how to spend my money wisely, and it taught me what to choose when I need that thing.
I highly recommend it to more teenagers.
I recommend that all of the students in the UAE should also experience this program, as I learned a lot from it.
My name is Adil Hassan. I'm a teacher at Dubai National School. I teach subjects such as economics, micro and macro, and also marketing. I recommend it for everyone, especially nowadays with factors in economics such as raising inflation and also unemployment rates. And such a program will teach kids from a young age how to control and how to invest and also evaluate and understand the real meaning of money.
I would like to thank the sponsor that sponsored this program for us, and to the Dubai Islamic Bank.